Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI FET. This chart has rallied since or between August 2024 and the December high. It started around 70 cents and topped around 220. That was a decent performance, but it was not really a very aggressive uptrend. It was choppy and messy, and especially concerning was this rally between November and December, because this was only a three-wave move up. Since then, the price has really been trolling just sideways, dancing on structural support without any clear signal that the next move up has started to unfold. So it is a bit concerning because it's very choppy, it's very messy. Yes, we are holding support, but the structure appears weak. So at the moment, this could already be the next move up. Absolutely. You know, we could be working on this larger fifth wave to the upside after wave 4 bottomed in August. But even if we're working on that fifth wave up, there's no guarantee that this B wave has bottomed. So the current idea, however, is that we are moving up in a fifth wave, which is an ABC structure that's based on the larger degree, time frame and patterns. And the idea is this is like an A, B, C structure. The C wave, however, would have to be a diagonal pattern because of the three-wave move up in wave 1. Then we saw a wave 2. We could now be in a third wave. Then we get a fourth and a fifth. Ideally, we should see the market move towards the $6.20 area in this cycle. Can definitely go higher, but for now, it's not really moving at all, right? So it is, I understand, very frustrating. See, if we zoom out a little bit, you could say that this is just a sideways range. Yes, we rallied in August. Yes, we rallied sort of early September, but since then it moved up a bit and came down again. So we need a little bit more upside momentum to really say that this chart has indeed started the next move up. Either way, there is a very clear support area here, or let's say a support area, yes, for the larger wave 4. In case wave 4 is still unfolding, in case we break below the red line, then we might need to consider that. In this case, 52 cents and 75 cents are the key parameters that define this support area. Below 52 cents, I don't really have anything bullish left. And in the very short term, though, there is a support level, which is the red line. Why is this so important? Because it is the swing low from that previous B wave low in November. And as long as this is holding, we could, consider that the C wave up has started and that this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2. And then, however, because the wave 1 is a three-wave move, the wave 3 would also have to be a three-wave move. And it's already, we're already testing previous lows. So it's not convincing. My view is, if we break above that last swing high at $1.43, $1.44, we're likely on our way, let's say, towards $2. It doesn't need to go that high. I mean, the B wave seems to be overshooting to the downside a little bit, but for example, the 1.618 extension would be a very common target. Here we talk about $2.11, just to give you a bit of an idea, right? But for now, the idea is that, we are possibly in that C wave up, but need a bit more evidence. Especially a move above that 145 level would help to confirm that further. So it's just a sideways range. There isn't really anything impulsive from here. So it's just waiting for some clarity. But as I said, the November low is relevant, and that was the $1.08, $1.09 level. You might very well use that as a key level to focus on higher, but below that level, it becomes increasingly likely that we're going to test this larger Fibonacci support area once more. Looking at the FET long-term chart, it might give you a little bit more context, which could be quite helpful if you didn't watch previous videos. But if you're interested in FET, then feel free to subscribe to the channel because we do cover FET regularly. It's just that price action, since we started that wave 4 like a year ago in March, price action hasn't been very exciting, right, since then. But overall, from a proportional point of view, it is definitely possible that this fourth wave bottomed here in August, and then the B wave in November. The overall idea is that we are in a larger degree 5-wave pattern that actually started in November 22. And we're now in this, as I said, 5th wave up. And it could take us to $6.20, which is one of the key targets here. $8.71, $13.15 are the next upside levels. But most of that rally is already done, right? A lot of people wait for altcoin season. I mean, well, was this not an altcoin season, right? I mean, it rallied from November 22, where it started at around 5 cents, to all the way 360. It's not going to do the same thing again, right? I mean, yeah, it can still like even triple, but I mean, is this an altcoin season? This was an altcoin season for FET at least, right? So that's important to understand. But we are probably therefore in the late stages. We're entering like 5th wave territory, where things are usually getting a little bit difficult. You can just compare that. Wave 1 looked very bullish, very strong. Wave 3 as well, but it was already a bit short for the 3rd wave, and the 5th wave is just a mess so far. So we have to be on the side of caution here with FET, but for now support levels are holding. We're still watching for higher prices. I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.